What's going on? It's Sean. We're back at it again, and in today's video we're talking about real estate, but more importantly I'm going to give you 3 book recommendations to get started in real estate investing. Here we go! If you are finding my channel for the first time, we're all about self-help and entrepreneurship, so if that interests you, make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing. Do it! With that out of the way, let's jump right into it. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 book recommendations that really have changed my whole perspective on business alone, but especially real estate. And I'm going to link these ones in the description box below if you do want to check them out. I really don't care about making a dime off of them, but I made another video on 5 books that changed my life and I didn't link them, and someone commented saying I should put them in there so it makes it easier for you to find, so I'm gonna do that. So if you want to check out any of these books, they're in the link below. So the first book, much like the last video, that really changed my entire outlook on employment and business is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And in this book, it makes it super easy to digest and learn business, but more importantly, the importance of passive income. And Robert Kiyosaki is big on real estate. So if you're looking to get started, I recommend you start with this book. The second book is The ABCs of Real Estate Investing. I recommend you read that second, and it is by Ken McElroy, but it is a Rich Dad book, meaning they are an affiliation with one another, Robert Kiyosaki and Ken McElroy. And actually, Robert Kiyosaki does the foreword in this book, but The ABCs of Real Estate Investing really dives deep on how to get started in real estate investing, specifically where Rich Dad, Poor Dad kind of has different ideas to give you to just get started in business and build a passive income. The ABCs of Real Estate Investing gives you a step-by-step guide to really get started, how to identify deals, to know if it's a deal, it's a property management. It's just a book of golden nuggets that I definitely recommend you check out. So the third book I admittedly did not technically read on paper. I bought the audiobook version of it. It is the book on rental property investing by Brandon Turner. And this book really, again, dove deep into not only real estate investing in general, however, but really how to invest in rental property, specifically smaller multifamily, which really is my niche inside real estate investing. But it went through step by step how to find the deal, get the deal, and how to manage the property there and after, and all the things that you should expect when going through the process of buying a piece of property in the first place. And really was invaluable to me. I definitely recommend that book as well. Again, I would read it in that order: Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The ABCs of Real Estate Investing, and then the book on rental property management. I definitely recommend all 3, but again, go in that order. And lastly, I just want to give you a little bonus tip. If you really want to invest in real estate, I definitely recommend a few podcasts. I'm going to link those down there below. Bigger Pockets. Brandon Turner actually is the host of Bigger Pockets. There's the Real Estate Addicts, the Cash Flow Kings, which are a local podcast to me in Boston and Providence. I live in the Boston area. I invest in the Providence area, and definitely want to check those out if you want to invest in real estate, because they can relate to any market, not just the local market. But before I keep rambling on, I'm going to say please slap a like on this video. Check out those book recommendations in the description box below. And if you like this video, you're going to want to check out the next 2 after the screen. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.